Best Pickleball Paddles. Are you looking for the best pickleball paddles? In this video we will look at some of the best pickleball paddles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. MTEN Fiberglass Paddle. The Selkirk Sport SLK Halo Control, Power, and Halo Pro pickleball paddles are designed to elevate your game with advanced technology, superior spin, and consistent performance. The Halo series features a carbon fiber face that provides excellent durability and responsiveness, making it ideal for players who demand precision and power. The RevCore Power polymer core is engineered to enhance ball control, reducing vibrations and improving comfort during play while delivering a solid feel at contact. This combination of materials ensures exceptional control, power, and overall performance. The Halo Control Paddle is tailored for players who prioritize finesse and accuracy, offering a balanced feel with enhanced maneuverability and a soft touch for controlled shots. On the other hand, the Halo Power Paddle is perfect for those who like to generate more speed and power behind their shots. Its design allows for powerful smashes and aggressive shots without sacrificing control. The Halo Pro is the top-tier option, featuring the best of both worlds, providing the ultimate combination of spin, control, and power for competitive play. All three paddles are built with a focus on maximizing spin and consistency, making it easier to execute spin-heavy shots and maintain a consistent game. The ergonomic handle design ensures a comfortable grip, while the balanced weight distribution adds to the overall stability of each paddle. Whether you're a beginner looking to improve your skills or an advanced player seeking to refine your game, the Selkirk Sport SLK Halo paddles offer a high-quality option for every level of play. Their innovative technology, premium materials, and thoughtful design make them a great choice for pickleball enthusiasts looking for a competitive edge. Number 2. Selkirk Latitude. The USAPA-approved fiberglass surface pickleball paddle set is designed for both beginners and intermediate players looking for a high-quality, versatile pickleball set. Featuring durable fiberglass surfaces, the paddles offer a great balance of power and control, making them ideal for players of all skill levels. The fiberglass construction provides a responsive surface that enhances ball spin, ensuring precise and consistent shots. With USAPA approval, these paddles are tournament-ready and meet the necessary standards for competitive play. The set typically includes 2 paddles, making it perfect for doubles games, along with pickleballs that are also USAPA approved. These pickleballs are designed for durability, providing consistent bounce and performance on various court surfaces. The paddles themselves are lightweight yet sturdy, ensuring comfort during extended play sessions. Their ergonomic handles feature a cushioned grip, which helps reduce hand fatigue and provides a secure hold for better control and accuracy. This set is an excellent choice for both men and women, as it offers a universal design that suits a wide range of playing styles. Whether you're a recreational player or preparing for your next tournament, these paddles offer a great combination of value, performance, and durability. Overall, the USAPA-approved fiberglass surface pickleball paddles set is a well-rounded option for those looking to enhance their pickleball experience. With its sturdy construction, balanced performance, and comfortable grip, it provides everything you need for an enjoyable game, whether you're playing for fun or competition. Number 3. Onix Z5 Graphite. The Selkirk SLK Latitude Pickleball Bundle offers a comprehensive and high-quality package for pickleball enthusiasts. This bundle includes 2 SLK Latitude paddles, 3 pickleballs, and 1 convenient carrying bag, making it an ideal choice for players of all skill levels, whether you're just getting started or looking to upgrade your gear. The paddles feature a G4 graphite face, which provides a perfect balance of power and control, while the polymer RevCore technology enhances the paddle's core, improving ball response, reducing vibrations, and delivering a solid feel during play. The G4 graphite face delivers excellent durability and a responsive surface, helping to generate spin and making it easier to execute controlled shots. The polymer rev core provides added stability and control, allowing players to maintain consistent performance on the court. The lightweight design of the paddles ensures comfort during long sessions, and their ergonomic handles with a comfortable grip contribute to reduced hand fatigue. The bundle also includes 3 high-quality pickleballs, which are designed to provide consistent bounce and durability during games. The included carrying bag is spacious and easy to transport, making it simple to store and bring your equipment to the court. Designed in the USA, the SLK Latitude Pickleball Bundle offers top-tier performance with a focus on durability and comfort. Whether you're playing casually or competing in tournaments, this bundle provides everything you need to enjoy the game. The combination of lightweight paddles, responsive graphite surfaces, and the polymer core ensures a great balance of power, control, and spin for players of all levels. Number 4. Paddletek Bantam TS5. The Onix Graphite Mod Z5 Pickleball Paddle is a top-tier option for players seeking superior performance, durability, and comfort. Featuring a graphite carbon fiber face, this paddle provides an excellent combination of power and control. The graphite surface ensures a responsive feel, allowing players to generate spin and execute precise shots with ease. The carbon fiber construction adds to the paddle's durability, ensuring it withstands long-term use while maintaining consistent performance over time. The Mod Z5 is designed with a lightweight yet sturdy frame, making it easy to maneuver during fast-paced games. Whether you're playing at the net or from the baseline, the paddle's balanced design enables quick reactions and solid shot accuracy. The paddle's wide body shape offers a larger sweet spot, providing forgiveness on off-center hits and enhancing overall playability. One standout feature is the cushion comfort grip, which is ergonomically designed for maximum comfort during extended play sessions. The grip absorbs vibrations and reduces hand fatigue, allowing players to maintain control and feel relaxed throughout their game. This is especially beneficial for players who want to avoid discomfort during long matches or tournaments. Overall, the Onix Graphite Mod Z5 Pickleball Paddle is an exceptional choice for players looking to elevate their game. With its high-quality graphite carbon fiber face, lightweight construction, large sweet spot, and comfortable grip, the Mod Z5 ensures players enjoy enhanced control, power, and spin on the court. Its balanced design and premium materials make it suitable for players of various skill levels, from casual to competitive play. Number 5. Joola Essential Pickleball. The Joola Essentials Pickleball paddles are designed to offer exceptional performance and durability for players of all skill levels. Featuring a reinforced fiberglass surface, these paddles provide excellent ball control and responsiveness, allowing players to execute precise shots with ease. The fiberglass face enhances durability while ensuring a lightweight feel, making it easier to maneuver during fast-paced play. This design helps generate spin and adds to the overall playability, whether you're at the net or playing from the baseline. The paddles are equipped with a honeycomb polypropylene core, which plays a key role in providing a balanced combination of power and control. The polypropylene core is known for its ability to absorb impact, reducing vibrations and enhancing the paddle's overall comfort. This makes the Joola Essentials paddles ideal for extended playing sessions, helping reduce hand fatigue and improving shot consistency. The paddle's construction is designed for players seeking reliability and versatility on the court. Whether you're playing recreationally or in a competitive setting, the combination of the fiberglass surface and honeycomb core ensures responsive and forgiving performance. The paddle's ergonomic handle features a comfortable grip, allowing players to maintain control and precision during their game. Overall, the Joola Essentials Pickleball paddles offer an excellent value for players looking for a durable, high-performance paddle. Their reinforced fiberglass surface, honeycomb polypropylene core, and lightweight design make them a great choice for both beginners and more experienced players. With these paddles, you can enjoy improved control, power, and comfort, making them a reliable addition to any pickleball player's equipment.